Yo, kingmoneyk14 vlog back with another monkey video. Know what I'm saying? This weird ass girl from BADDIE'S. This weird ass girl. I'm gonna call her girlfriend when I turn my phone turn on and shit. I'm not cheating on my girl.
Hello?
What's up?
How are you?
You don't want to ask me that question. I was trying to warn him, like, you don't want to ask me that question. Talking about some house your day. Did it look like my day was good? Bro, I'm not trying to talk to y'all, so like, y'all can skip on so I can add like clips and shit for my YouTube and shit. I'm recording a video. That shit too. Bro, why you got that ugly ass dog in the camera, bruh? The dog, bruh. How old is you? 12. You said 12. Nah, yeah. Bro, you just like, I ain't gonna. I'ma just tell you this. I don't argue with girls. You can skip on, bro. I'm like, I don't do none of that arguing shit online. That shit's clown shit, bro.
You said I sound like a man?
Bro, I am not trying to hear that copyrighted ass music. I'm trying to fucking make a YouTube video. I'm not going back and forth with no girl. I'm sorry. You just trying to find somebody to argue with? I'm not that guy, bro. I'm sorry. Yeah, you can skip. You could find another nigga and argue with him, but like, I'm not that type of person you wanna argue with, bro. Like, I might just annoy your ass and make you mad, more mad than you already is. You mad with somebody else, so you try to argue with me. Like, I'm not arguing with you, little bro.
You're going to
I learned it, bro. Like, what I learned from is this person YouTuber, this YouTuber, and shit.
You're doing too
I'm
much.
gonna be laughing like
Sexy.
I didn't even make a joke in real life. Oh yeah,
What?
I'm about to go live on YouTube.
Okay. Why? What happened?
I'm about to go live on YouTube in like a couple of hours. So like, you should. I say I'm about to go on live on YouTube on Monkey on the couple of hours. You should join that, Jane. It's gonna be funny. I don't even know what she said.
Hey.
Yeah, what's up? Bro, you see what I'm talking about, bro? You see what I'm saying? Bro, I can't even make a civilized conversation. They say hey or what's up, and then they be like, Bruh, they be like, hey, and then like they already had their hand on the skip button. They be already having their hand on the skip button, or they be having somebody on the side and shit. they act like I be retarded and shit, bro. I know you have somebody like when y'all be showing like girls be showing their butt and then they be twerking. They be having somebody on the side already, and oh god. Yeah. Bro, I'm not gonna trip over you, Skip baby. Hey, let me
Take the glasses off. I got feelings for you. Why do I look bald? Oh no. I gotta end it in my head. Anyways, next question. What the hell you pointing at? Me? Me? Her? Her? Her?
I got money. All I wanted, nah, nigga. Nah.
Yo.
That's crazy.
What's crazy?
You're a monkey.
What?
You a monkey. On a different account.
What you talking about?
But I know who you is.
No, you don't. You don't know me.
You always on that ceiling.
Probably.
We was on the phone for a long time.
I
You don't remember?
Mm-mm.
Damn. So you trying to claim that you don't know me? Hey, what? How many tattoos you got?
Huh?
How many tattoos you got?
I don't got no tattoos.
You don't got no tattoos? Right. You don't got no tattoos.
No.
Bro, I seen you with some tattoos, bro. Ain't you got like a tattoo on your butt?
No. You got the wrong person.
Nah. I know you got a tattoo on your buttocks.
No, I don't got no tattoo.
Hey, oh, that one a cursing though, bro. I ain't got.
What?
I got two down, tone down on the cursing though. I got little kids around me and shit, stuff. Bro, y'all niggas weird. Like, y'all niggas around here, y'all niggas be weird. They really be weird, bro. Like why the fuck? Freak. Let my way now, well, my head all is on it's on my head all in against you. Yeah, head all in against you. I am my head all. Nigga, like I can't, like I'm not like.
Hey, I see you just say, what's good? We on Lusky right now. What's good? What's good?
Nigga, all I have is my hands like this, bro.
It's different. King Money. What? King Money.
Nah, that's my fucking YouTube name.
Money. Oh, dog,
You get
boy, you black.
you on YouTube, bro. Why she look like that? You see her Wi-Fi, bro? That shit lagging right there. This is how you lagging, bro. You like.
Oh, he said we rapping. We rap. But your dick laggy.
You's a little girl. You's a little girl. I wasn't gonna say nothing to it. I said I was just talking about that. Her Wi-Fi being trash. Oh my god, bro. Never Cox Wi-Fi and shit. I'm not watching that shit. Them little girls, bro.
What is your problem?
Huh?
What is your problem?
Huh?
Why you making noise? You want me to stick something in your mouth?
Bruh.
Oh.
Bruh. Stop. Bro, why you getting close to this? Why you getting close to the computer, bruh? Phone, computer, nigga. Nah, get on the other side, bruh. I know what you trying to do, bruh.
What?
You in the blue.
What is she doing?
Hey, move away from the phone, my nigga.
She's not even by the phone. She's literally in that big ass corner.
Man, you can't. They can't lie. Don't call me though. Don't say B. Don't say the B word, bro. Bro, I am not getting you mad. I'm not even doing nothing to you, my nigga. Like, I ain't doing nothing to you, bro. Just, yeah, know what I'm saying? I'm just, yeah, be spectacle and shit because niggas be acting weird around in this thing. They be doing strange things and shit. You be doing that? You had your booty all in the camera. You had your big old booty all in the camera and shit, man.
Why you looking at her ass?
No, I'm saying you had your booty in the camera, nigga.
Not even in the camera.
Nigga, you had your booty in the camera, your big old booty in the camera.
I don't even have a fat ass, so that's how I know you lying, bro.
I'm not lying, bro. You got Instagram or something? Hey, I'll follow back on Instagram, so like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, my phone is dead, my nigga. Like, so like you can take my Instagram down, and I'll follow you when it like turn on.
Way downstairs. What else like just getting up just to go get my phone?
Get up. Like you just did. Go downstairs and get your phone. That's.
I'm not walking down all the stairs.
Oh, you can just send me your Instagram on here.
How would I write it down?
I don't got no. I don't got no pen or no paper. Yeah. I don't know. This I got on monkey cause I'm bored, bro. This shit.
Okay. Later,
This is my username.
Huh?
That's my username.
King Money.
It's money. It's money. It says King Money. It says King Money, bro. It don't say it's monkey on that. Hoe. It says money. kingmoneyk14. Underscore vlogs.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, brother, bro. Like, it always the cop blocking sisters, bro. All I wanted was a follow on Instagram, bro. Bro, I was gonna follow her back, man. Shit, man. Freak. Bruh. But it's really, oh my god, like, don't put that stuff in my camera. Ain't even doing nothing, I get skipped. You see how them girls be, bro.
What did you doing? You need me to fight them for you?
I don't need nobody. I don't need nobody to fight for me, bro.
Okay. So you don't want me to fight them for you? That's fine.
No, bro. I don't want to see anybody fight. Actually, I don't like, bro. I don't even like seeing people like post videos of people fighting. Nigga, I used to watch that shit, but like, as a young, bro, like, I don't want that shit. No.
Take those glasses.
I don't have to do nothing you say. You don't control me.
Take them off, please.
You don't tell me what to do.
I ain't make it.
I do what I want. Stop trying to tell me what to do, bro. It's not gonna work.
Oh fuck.
You know them the people that you control, like that where you be like,
You're 19.
like I was saying, chat.
You're 19.
The people, like the people they were like try to control you. They be like, don't let them control you, bro. Like when people try to tell you what to do and you control yourself, bro. Like, yo, you operate your own body, bro. Like, you tell yourself your own body, you control your own body, bro. Like, you tell your body you need to wash up. Tell your body you need to brush your teeth. You tell your body you need to get dressed. All this, bro. You control your body. So, like, if somebody try to tell you what to do with your stuff, belongings that you pay for, and try to tell you need to do this, you need to do that, don't listen, bro. Cause you control your body. She said she was gonna scare me, but hey kids.
I'm not a kid. Oh, this that you is 21, bro.
Bro, I can't even be on here, bro. Niggas keep noticing me, bro. Oh, that's a YouTuber, bro. Stop snitching, bro. Stop fucking being hot. Stop being hot, bro. These niggas being hot. Oh God. Oh God. Niggas talking about, oh, this that YouTuber. Hey, bro, why is you being so hot for, bro? Like,
Hello?
you already know I'm not gonna talk to you, bro.
Alright, bye, bitch.
Whatever she said, Time step that, bro.
Oh. I remember you. You a bitch. Fuck you. Go suck a big bitch.
I don't got no problem with gay people, but like, hey, bro, I'm not trying to argue with you, bro. I don't argue with people.
And I was trying to argue with you.
Sorry, bro. I don't do that.
Why do that? You went to Beverly Hills this week and fight.
No, because I don't like. What the fuck is? What's the point in arguing with
I
somebody?
need to smell good in this hoe. Here, you want some? Come
Nah,
on.
bro. No, I don't want that from you, bro. I don't take offerings. Sorry.
Look at your
But you have a
Okay.
nice day. Stay safe.
I need to tell you something. Go pickpocket.
I'm trying to be nice. I'm being nice, bro. I'm being nice. Staying calm. Hold it in it. Okay. That's the motto. Cause when people would, they really think they gon' maybe somebody kind of shit and make them mad. It's not gonna work. Oh my, bruh. I know. Ain't you like 12? Yeah, you're like 12.
No, that's not.
13.
What?
You 13? What should I do? Me. If I can make this hit 100, I'm gonna do the same thing. Yeah, I'm gonna talk this same thing. I'm gonna use a different title though. I keep using the same. They always be screaming, bro. They bad. They actually thinking this shit, so.